Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 12,000 BTU window AC that I've been using this already for 1 month, and this is a great window AC to have. It works very well. It sits right on the window, so you're able to open and close your window while this is in your window. So this is how the AC looks up close. Here's your on and off button. This is to check if the light goes on here. It means to check your filter. Here's your timer. You can set it up. This is where you change your temperature. This is how you change from either quiet, low, or high speed for the fan. Right here, you can do the fan, dry, cool, energy saver, sleep mode, or auto mode by pressing these right here. Okay, this is how the unit looks. Fits very nicely. This is how the AC looks from the outside. So you can see that it fits very nicely. So this is how the remote control looks. It takes 2 AA batteries, which are included. And when you want to turn on the AC, you just press the button. And then from there, it displays your temperature at which you set it to. If you use the up and down button, you can change it up or down. You can also change it for the different modes that you want to set it to. You can lock it just in case. If you set it to a setting that you want to lock, you press that. If you want your fans to go high or low, quiet mode, auto mode, energy saver, you can set up your favorite temperature, your sleep, or a timer. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great 12,000 BTU AC. I like how cool it gets. I like how convenient it is to set this up and how easy it is to set up. I also like how it has all these different features and functions that you could set it to fan, dry, cool mode. It even has a sleep mode and auto mode, and even you can set up a timer on here, so that way this will shut off within the time frame that you give it. And maintenance is very easy on this. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.